Hi YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. Nicole and my family for Vlogmas Day 17. Alright, I'm still playing catch up, so let's get to it. If you want to see what I'm up to, please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so today I have an unboxing. So, let's see what I'm unboxing. Ta-da! I have an unboxing for Handmade. Look at this beautiful tape they use to tape up the box to close it. Very festive. It says Happy Holidays. Honey's Handmade. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Okay, so we have our thank you card. We have your inspect your package. I have my 2 order lists. And this is a how to use card. And I also got a little card about Honey Handmade's story. Alright, let's get through these popcorn. Alright, first items up. I did get to purchase these items through the Thanksgiving sale. Most people call it Black Friday sale. So I did get some of them free and I did get some of them on a very low price. So I got 2 of these soaps. The masculine citrus scrub, and this is for men. I got 2 of these for 2 cents, so they were 1 penny each. So I got one for my hubby and one for my oldest son Romeo. Okay, next on the list, I got the vanilla mint castor oil curl jelly. I'm trying to get the light out of it, but it's not working, so that's how it looks, you guys. And that is in an 8-ounce jar. Okay, I did get 3 of the natural deodorant, peppermint, and the eucalyptus. They're natural deodorants. I got 3 of these, one for me, hubby, and our oldest son Romeo to try out. Just wanted to see how the natural deodorant works compared to the deodorants that we're using right now. Yeah, I'll let you guys know in how that compare in a later video. But I did get 3 of them. They're small. They're a 1-ounce size. So I got 3 of those. Same scent. Same scent. Okay. I also got coconut cream infused carrot and vanilla co-wash. Okay, I also got Bear with me, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. It's called Bentonite and Sea Clay Deep Conditioning Mask. Okay, these two items here, I got these two items for free. It's one of her new items she just released. It's called the Rice Water and Juniper Berry Hair Growth Rinse. So I got these two for free. I'm not sure how exactly I'm supposed to use this. So yeah, I gotta look that up and find out. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. Another item that I got was the oatmeal cookie hair boosting hot oil treatment. And I got this item for free also. It's a Dolce Leche lip conditioning tube. I got this for free as well. I also have another one in the box. It's peppermint lip conditioning tube. And another item that I have is the buttermilk olive butter and honey conditioning mask. And the last item, and I hope it fits. I ordered it in the extra large. And it's their sweater. And it says, Holiday Hair Rules. Lack of moisture. Uh-oh. It says, we got you covered. And the product that is on there is from their honey line, and it's their hair mask, honey healthy hydration hair mask. So give me a second and let's try this on. All right, guys, this is how it looks. It fits so good, so good. I'm glad I got the extra large and not smaller. Because my weight kind of fluctuates. It's sometimes between an extra large and a 1X. So I'm happy that this fits comfortable. I have enough room. It's warm and cozy. I love sweaters. And it smells like their hair products. So it smells really good. So let me angle the camera down so you guys can see it. And you see my Christmas pants I'm wearing today? I'm all in the festive mood of Christmas. And I got this sweater for free. You guys, I got this sweater was free because I think I was one of the first 50 people to order. So that was awesome. So this is my holiday sweater. Thank you at Honey's Handmade. I like it and it fits good. Just giving them a shout out. Even though this video is not sponsored, you guys, everything I purchased. And I thank them because this item was free. I got a couple of free items, so that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, let me sit on back down. So the free items that I got were the lip conditioning tubes, this sweater, and the rice water and juniper berry hair growth mix. That's what I got for free. And the ones that I got very, very, very cheap was the body soap, which was 1 cent each. And yeah, that's it. So that is the end of my unboxing. Stay tuned for a hair tutorial. And the items that I got is so funny. It goes along with, the Christmas season. Sorry about that. My hand is in the way. Because I have one that has, what was it? I don't even remember. But Oh, the vanilla mint, because you know usually mint is always around Christmas season. So that is my the hair jelly. So that will be like a the styler. And then I have to say this word in my mind before I say it out loud. The bentonite sea clay deep conditioning mat. That will be my deep conditioner. And I'm gonna use this as a co-wash. That was the coconut cream infused with carrot and vanilla co-wash. So I got my co-wash, I got my deep conditioner, and I got a styler. And I don't know if I'm gonna look it up, but I might use this as I don't know if this is I think this is a leave-in. But I'll figure that out, and you guys stay tuned for that wash day. So I'll be using out some products that I haven't used on my channel before, and let you know how my hair likes it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was entertaining. I hope I told you guys about some new products that came out from Honey Handmade. And if you're interested, go to their website. It's honeyhandmade.com and check them out, you guys. And also, you can also find some of Honey Handmade's products on, oh my gosh, it just went right out of my head. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll just leave it as that. So check out Honey Handmade products on honeyhandmade.com and just see what the website is about. All the products are handmade and natural products. I have talked about them before on my YouTube channel, so yeah, check them out. Not sponsored at all, just like, so far I like the products that I've been using. And you'll see more about some reviews that I have coming after Christmas that I did previously before Vlogmas started. So yeah, some old videos I'm going to be putting out that will be new to you guys. So stay tuned for that as well. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and become a part of my family here on YouTube, Nicole and my family. Thank you for watching. I hope this wasn't drawn out, and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 18.